Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming prerequisites: account, latest game update, and one open party slot. Once done, head directly to the map region that spawns the roaming Loomian and trigger the area-specific event. That often means completing a local quest or entering a named zone. Make sure to equip high-level Loomians and bring repels so you control random battles. This first push sets the spawn conditions, so you want the environment exactly as required before attempting targeted spawn technique. Once the region is ready, focus on spawn manipulation. Some roamers require time of day or weather, so adjust your console clock only if necessary. Otherwise, wait for the correct in-game conditions. Save before a long attempt, then walk known spawn paths or zone hop to refresh spawns. Soft resetting returns you to the same state faster. Use repels to avoid unwanted battles while you search and rely on audio or visual cues that signal a roaming Loomian. This increases encounter rates without wasting hours. You finish by executing a safe capture. When you find the roamer, lower its HP and inflict a status effect so capture tools have higher success. Then throw your best ball equivalent. If nothing appears, reload your last save, tweak the time or weather conditions, and try different zone edges. Many roamers spawn only on specific tiles. Make a backup or battle save so you can restore and repeat without losing progress. And log the exact method that worked so you can reproduce the result next time.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.